Hey guys, Chris here from Pretty & Green. Today we're going to go over converting this soil plant over to hydroponics / LECA. And also stick around to the end of the video. We're going to give away this plant to one of the subscribers out there. So stick around to the end and you can learn how to win it, and I'll ship it directly to your door. So let's get into converting this plant. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove these bamboo sticks. I'll eventually put them back on in the hydroponic setup, but for now we're going to remove them and the twisty ties. Now I'm going to lay the plant on its side with a tray to catch some of the soil. Ideally this is done when the medium or the soil is dry, but it's actually wet, so this is kind of the most challenging way you'll deal with it. You're going to kind of tap around the edges of the soil and just unpot the plant. This is a good time to take a look at the root mass, see what you have going on down here, which we have a really healthy root mass. This is great. This is actually a new plant, a Monstera Peru, actually, a pretty rare plant. And I'm gonna just kind of lay it down and allow the root mass to kind of untangle on its own. Kind of tap it and allow it to break open. And now we're gonna remove these big chunks of soil. The danger with it being wet is that it falls apart and is too heavy and rips off a chunk of the roots. So we don't want that to happen. So this one's actually coming apart pretty easy. Most of the soil has actually dropped off. We've lost a few little bits of roots, but that's fine. Some root pruning is totally fine. Kind of gently shake it off. And we're down to the little last bit to where now we're gonna bring in the water. We really wanna get this off before we have it in a hydroponics medium, because that's gonna be watering every 3 hours in our system here. Want to prevent root rot. Now with a basic bucket of water, we're gonna now submerge the root mass into the bucket of water. And as you can see, we are just about soilless. So now I'm gonna take our pot and the LECA, as well as our plant, and lay the longer roots in down towards the bottom. Gently put the rest of the root mass in. Now's a good time to insert your bamboo stick prior to putting in your clay pebbles. We're gonna kind of hold it all together with one hand and then pour in the rocks with the other. And finally, if you have a vining plant like this with a bamboo stick, tie your plant back up to the way it was. It's now ready and is soilless. Don't be afraid to try this at home. Just be really gentle. And if some roots come off, it's no big deal. Thank you guys for watching today's video. If you did learn something new, please click the thumbs up down below. It does help us out. And YouTube just shocked me with a really sad statistic, which is 97% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. So if you'd like to, it costs you nothing and it really helps us out. Please click the red button down below. Now, for those of you living in the United States, I'm willing to ship you this plant. For being an early subscriber, I kind of want to give a thank you for the 1,500 subs, and I want to show some appreciation back to you guys. So this is actually a reverted pink Congo. I think I talked about this in another video. It was completely pink from Thailand as an import, but it actually reverted back to this green. So it's some type of philodendron. It's really beautiful. We call it the Congo. It's planted in moss and completely rooted, really healthy and happy. But I'll ship this to you free of charge. All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to the channel, click the thumbs up down below, and all you have to comment below to win this, as long as you're in the United States, is your dream plant and where you are watching from in the world. Again, thank you guys so much for the support on this channel. We really enjoy making the videos each week, and we hope you enjoy watching them. So come back next Saturday for another video, and we'll see you then.